PG&E has officially filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. This paves the way for legal protections in the face of billions of dollars in potential lawsuits from the deadly Camp Fire. CBS 13's Rachel Wolf is live at the federal courthouse with what this means for customers.
And Rachel, the big question on a lot of people's minds, will rates go up because of this?
Well, that is the big question. At this point in time, PG&E is saying that rates not going to go up and that power is going to be continued to its 16 million customers in Northern California, Central California. But what will happen in the future? That's the big question as this bankruptcy filing goes on and on. There are some experts that say it might not happen until they emerge out of that bankruptcy filing. Then I spoke with another person today that said they could hike rates, but they would have to get that approved by the Public Utilities Commission.
All right, Rachel, and why did the company file? I mean, many consumer advocacy groups are critical of it.
So this is really a strategy out of a corporate playbook. The bankruptcy attorney who we spoke with today says he sees it with small companies and also big companies. It's not really a goal, but it is a tool, and it protects the shareholders. It protects the 24,000 employees who work for PG&E. We spoke with bankruptcy attorney Gary Fraley, who talked about the people who are going to be suing or who have already sued the major utility company, and he says they're going to have to get in line.
Despite Aaron Brockovich, she can hum and holler all day long. It does not change anybody's rights in that bankruptcy. There's just nothing that can be done. All they can do is file the claims, have those claims litigated. I think what the court would do is consolidate all of the claims.
Now, PG&E sent us a statement, and I'm just going to paraphrase, that basically the safety is its top priority, and it's, of course, working to keep that safety a main topic of discussion and also protect its shareholders. Now, this is all happening amidst an investigation as to how the Camp Fire started. They're looking at whether or not those transmission lines sparked that blaze. So, again, they could actually come out of this bankruptcy filing at the moment's notice, and many expect that'll happen if they are not found liable. But if they are to be found liable, wow, that could really send shockwaves in the investment community in terms of major institutions, 401k plans and pension plans that he said might not be funded. Back to you.
Yeah, another lawmaker came out today and said, in the future, put those lines underground so this doesn't happen again. Rachel, thanks for the answers to that. Now, we dug a little deeper and asked what led up to PG&E declaring bankruptcy. So in September 2010, goes back a bit, a company gas pipeline exploded in San Bruno. We all remember that. PG&E was convicted of 6 criminal charges, ordered to pay a $3 million fine. They also paid $565 million to victims. In March 2017, PG&E settled with the state over allegations of insider dealings for $87 million. In June of 2018, the utility said it expected to pay at least $2.5 billion in connection with the North Bay fires in October of 2017.
And some perspective here on the impact. In November 2018, PG&E stock lost 20% of its value when concerns were raised about the utility being liable for the Camp Fire. Earlier this month, the company's credit rating was reduced to junk status. PG&E announced its intention to file for bankruptcy back on January 14th, and stock fell 50%.